I'm Maxine.
And I'm Jessica from Jecca Blac. And today we're going to be showing you how to apply primers.
So today we're going to be running through 3 really exciting primers with all different finishes. Primers can be applied before applying your face makeup to give you a really long lasting finish and to give you a really smooth base.
So the first primer is Blur and Matte. So the matte primer is used if you want a matte finish on the skin and if you want to blur out any kind of texture. So if you have beard shadow or if you have some blemishes and you want to kind of blur out that, then this is the primer to use.
So this one is our Hydrate Primer. Hydrate Primer can be used on all skin types. It contains ceramides and fatty acids, which are really good for looking after your skin, maintaining moisture, replenishing moisture, and keeping a really smooth base for your makeup all day.
And then this is the third primer, the Glow Drops. This is used to give a dewy finish that's highlighting and glowing and can be also used as a liquid highlighter after the makeup. So today I'm going to show you how to apply Glow Drops. So with all primers, you want to apply them before makeup. So ideally you want to do your skincare routine, then your primers, and then your makeup. So you want to take
I think it's like a chickpea size.
A chickpea size.
One chickpea specifically.
A chickpea size of the Glow Drops and put it onto, I'm using just a foundation brush and just applying it evenly all over the face. So going right up to the eyes. And once you've applied the primer, you're then ready to go on to applying your makeup.
So now we've given you our Makeup 101 on primers. The next video will be applying your base. So see you there.
Bye!